has a really big knife. He has like a machete. I don't know if he's chopping somebody or what, but.
What's your name? What's your name?
My name is John!
John?
Yeah.
Come on, drop your weapon.
Drop it.
Drop that knife first, guy. Please drop the knife.
Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop that knife. You got mine. No!
Get the fuck.
On morning of January 2026, multiple 911 calls flooded the Baltimore Police Department, each reporting a person behaving erratically in the streets of Bolton Hill. Neighbors described a person as brandishing a knife, shouting incoherently, and frightening anyone who dared step outside. By the time cops arrived at 1111 Park Avenue, the building was already in chaos. A fire alarm blared, reportedly triggered by the suspect.
Get a call.
Yeah. Somebody got a knife or something like that? Where's the security at? No, I'm trying to find out where they at.
I don't know.
Alright, so where are they? Okay, please.
Officer asked for the suspect's location in the building and rushed quickly to the location through elevator. But little did they know. What started as a routine call would quickly escalate into a tense standoff. Upon arriving on an upper floor, officers discovered blood in the hallway. Officer carefully steps out of the elevator, scanning the hallway, and sees a person knocking and shouting strangely at the doors in the hallways.
So we're not 32 in it. It looks like he's throwing stuff. Put me on.
Go away! Lion on fire! Run!
Pounding on the side.
You guys clear the air. I got a number 2 down the hallway. He has a big knife. He's going down the staircase. Can I get another unit?
Space on the road. Fox, what's the location?
1111 Park Avenue, Fox. 1111 Park Avenue.
Right, man. 22 on the road. Wilson, I'm watching your camera. Okay, buddy.
16, he's behind his door. He has a big knife in his hand. I don't see him right this second, but I can hear him.
What floor?
9th floor, 915.
He's in front of 915, 9th floor.
Officer reported that the blood was visible at the entrance of the door, and threats were made as well. Officers did not yet know if anyone else was inside or not. At the meantime, backup officer was rushing to the scene through staircase, but little did they know that the situation is going to take extremely paranormal turn.
Hey, 60, I might have to make entry. There's blood on the door. I think someone else is inside. Baltimore police, open the door!
Sir?
Open the door!
Alright, 12, how far are you? What floor are you on?
Clear here. You don't make entry by yourself.
Alright, get back inside, get back inside.
Yes, 1111 Park. Says in apartment 915. Advised not to enter by himself. But if I was asking where 12 was.
God, give me a favor. Can you make a call on now? Let me be with any CID officers and switch over to him.
16. I need someone here ASAP. I need to make entry. All right. Do we have a bunker or anything? He has like a really big knife. I can't tell if someone else is in there with him.
No, we don't know yet.
Sorry, one, hold the air. He's got the whiskey with him. Hold the air.
All right. I got teams there.
All right.
The right or left?
It's right here.
Okay.
Button. Baltimore police, open the door.
Open the door! Police!
Nah, that door's locked.
There's blood all over.
Yeah, he has a really big knife. He has like a machete. But I don't know if he's chopping somebody or what, but
We gotta get in.
can somebody bring me a ram or something to take this door?
Police! Open the door!
Oh, no, I copy.
We need to get the door open.
We gotta get that door
All
open.
right. Does anybody have a ram?
Parker, don't forget the bunker.
We need a ram set.
We need something to take this door because the door's locked.
Alright, you can go down and get the ram.
Yeah.
Stay on the radar, yeah.
Have to be vigilant, guys.
Wanna back up a little bit?
Copy.
Yeah, yeah, slack a little bit.
Use the bunker. 10:43 is the time.
Nobody's in the hall?
I can't tell. All right, step back.
Back up a little bit. Don't laser, don't laser. Back
No, I'm on your left.
Okay, I got you.
Police! Police!
Come out with your hands up!
Come out! Hands up! Come out with your hands up and talk to us! Come on up and talk to us!
Alright, okay, you're on scene. Check your car. Your car should have a bunker and a ram in the phone.
Come out and talk to us! It's the police! We gotta see you to make sure you're okay!
I got you. I'm not sure if he's using that knife and he's telling someone to die. There's blood everywhere.
After a few minutes of aiming at the door, suspect seems to be disturbed and bored and started talking strange things. Officers shouts to step out of the door and asked for his name. The words sent a shiver through the officers. The suspect's behavior was erratic, dangerous, and deeply unsettling.
Who's
Why are you doing this?
Step back.
Come on, step out and talk to us!
I'm being violated. I need to
What's your name, buddy? What's your name?
What's your name?
What's your name?
My name is John!
John?
Yep.
Alright, John, talk to us. What's going on today?
I am God! Okay?
Alright,
Come talk to us.
what's going on today, God? What's going on?
Okay?
God, please drop the weapon.
Please drop it for us.
Please drop the weapon.
More space. Come
Come on, drop your weapon.
Drop it.
Drop that knife for us, God. John, please drop that knife. God. I fucking dare you to shoot me. Please drop. Please drop.
Multiple officers attempted verbal commands. Repeatedly, they urged Denny to drop the knife, step back, and exit peacefully. But he did not comply immediately. Every second was a dance of tension. Officers maintaining cover, coordinating entry, and calling for additional resources.
Please drop. Please drop. Please drop the knife.
Drop the knife. Drop it. Drop it.
Drop that knife. God. Drop that knife.
Drop the knife.
Drop that knife.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
Drop the knife.
No.
Get the fuck
Officers fired their first teaser shot, but surprisingly, it had not affected him. Rather, he lied on the floor and started talking strange things again.
Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up. Back up.
21 feet. Back up, please. 21 feet. Everyone, take the home. We don't need 3 people on the same.
Back up!
Only guns up front.
Stop!
Only guns up
Back up!
Back up.
Only guns up front.
Get on the ground!
Only guns up front. Stay on them. We're good.
Get on the ground! Face down!
21 feet.
Get down, you're doing good! Drop your weapons!
71 0.
No more! Drop your weapons! No more! No more!
Bunker up front. Bunker up front. I got hands. One person behind the bunker. Let's form one line.
No, let's get some legal out in front of me too.
Fuck out of here!
Hold on.
Get the bomb! Out of here! Get down here! I'm telling you!
Hold on, let's stay here. Stay here. We don't have to go
Drop
anywhere.
your weapons! So we can talk! Drop it!
I got
We
you.
want to talk to you.
We don't have to go anywhere. We got time. There's no one in this
Long range
bar.
archery.
You're hurt.
Let's just stay right here, all right?
You are hurt.
We're good. Let's try to
We
talk
need
to
to help
him.
you.
If it doesn't work out, we're good
I
from
can't
there.
help you with those in your hands. Yes, I can.
Space.
Maybe
Everyone go back.
Everyone die.
Everyone go back. Get your space. Get your space. Go back. We got enough people on the wall.
We need to speak to you.
step back just a little bit.
You're all
31 shots, 1 fire.
I need you to
Hands
drop
off
your
the
weapons.
from the video that I'm watching.
You killed me. We don't want to do that. We just want to talk to
Everyone good?
you. We just want to speak to you.
Just quiet down in the back. We're gonna try to talk to them.
I am God.
Let me know what's going on today.
I am God, and you are done. No more cops. Fuck you.
I need you to
ACAB,
drop
bitches. Look, a fucking tattoo right here that says ACAB. Because all cops are bad.
over here. Can you hear about this?
Fuck out of here, bitches.
Make sure the medical
Well, you're clearly hurt.
10-4-10, that's what it is. That's the on camera, 10-4.
We want to make sure you're okay.
Fuck off.
Make sure you're notifying sir.
We can't. You're bleeding. There's
Rob,
blood on the
shout, you
wall.
to shut down Howard and Park. Howard and Park.
I'm fine.
The scene's contained to 4-9 right now, so.
Is there anyone left?
The psychological layer added complexity. The suspect's statements revealed confusion and delusions, but also a fragile attachment to her cats. It was a glimpse into a mind in turmoil, still armed and dangerous, but human nonetheless.
Is anybody else in that room? You can tell us.
I brought
that,
that
please.
before my cats.
Your cat's okay. Your cat's okay. How many cats do you have? What are their names?
Long shot, so we can minimize traffic in the area. Let's shut down Howard and Park and Lansdale and Park. Again, Howard and Park and
Cats
Lansdale and
are
Park.
getting in, right?
Yes, they're part of me.
And they take care of you, right?
Yes,
25. I would take care of Howard and Park.
we're good.
I know, but not from what I see.
4.
I'll put my weapons down.
I appreciate it.
If you guys will leave, I'll put
Yeah,
my
bring the
weapons
ground,
down, okay?
All right, put it
I
down.
appreciate that.
10-9-33,
We're gonna back up and crawl to us.
So what we're gonna do, right? Once you're done, let me know. So we're gonna have you crawl to us.
Okay.
Just please leave those. Nobody wants to get hurt. I appreciate that.
Back it up a little bit.
Very good.
Keep coming back.
Keep coming. Keep coming.
The focus shifted from containment to de-escalation and preservation of life. Officers reassured that they just want to speak to him and nobody wants him to get hurt. Every instruction was carefully measured. Back up, drop weapons, crawl toward safety. This was a tense psychological battle. The officers' patience and precision were their strongest tools, keeping everyone alive as they slowly guided the suspect toward compliance.
Back on your knees.
Yep. You gotta get on. You gotta crawl.
Stay down. On your knees. Stay down. Sir, get back on the
You
floor.
gotta get on the floor for me.
Get back on the
You've
floor.
been doing a good job. I appreciate you.
Get back on the floor, buddy.
All right, we're gonna have to take
No more.
You're doing a good job. I appreciate it. You
Now we're right.
gotta get on your knees. Get on your knees. Hands. Yep, bud, you're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing good. You're doing a good job. Thank you. Yep. You're doing a good job.
After nearly half an hour, the strategy succeeded. Denny, cooperative but wary, was led out. Officers maintained calm, reinforced safety, and ensured no one was harmed. Once in custody, he was transported for medical care, ending the standoff without additional injuries. But the shocking fact for all the officers at there was that suspect was later actually identified as 48-year-old woman Autumn Elizabeth Denny. This Bolton Hill standoff is a stark reminder of the dangers police face every day, balancing law enforcement with the preservation of life. When mental instability and potential violence intersect, every decision matters. On January 19, 2026, quick thinking and calm negotiation prevented a potential tragedy from becoming a nightmare.